Hello my dear students, welcome back to your science class. So students, we were discussing chapter number 4, that is heat. Okay, so our topic for today is convection. As we were discussing the mode of transfer of heat, one of that process is known as convection. Let us now discuss convection in detail. So convection is the process by which heat is transferred in liquids and gases from the hotter part to the colder part. Okay, so as we discussed earlier, conduction is the process by which heat is transferred in solids. Okay, and when the process of transfer of heat is taking place in liquids and gases from the hotter part to the colder part, then that process of transfer of heat is known as convection. On your screens you can see a simple activity which is explaining how the process of convection takes place. So in the activity what we have done, we have taken some water in a round bottom flask. We have kept the flask on a tripod stand, as you can see in this figure. Now we will put a crystals of potassium permanganate in it. Okay, now what we will do, we will heat it with a burner. What will happen, the water at the bottom will become hot and it will rise up. Okay, so the hotter things are lighter and they always rise up. Okay, so what will happen, the water at the bottom will become hot and rises up, and the cold water from the top will move down. Okay, so this water, the water which I have just now moved down, it will now become hot and rises up, and again the cold water which is present at the top is going to move downward, and this process continues till all the water gets heated up. Okay, so this is how the process of convection takes place. Okay, now important points about convection. First, it is the process of transfer of energy in a liquid or gas. Okay, so when part of a gas or liquid is heated, what happens, the particles it is made up of, they move faster and spreads out more. Okay, now these moving particles bump into other particles, causing them to move faster, and they again spread out more. The next process of transfer of heat is radiation. Okay, so radiation is that process by which heat is transferred from one place to another without the help of any medium. Okay, when there is no solid, no liquid, no gas, basically when there is no medium, and if heat is transferring without the help of any medium, in that case this process is known as radiation. For example, the heat from the sun reaches the earth without any medium, so this process is known as radiation. Okay, another example is when we sit near a fire, we are going to feel warm due to the heat radiated by the fire, and all hot bodies are going to radiate heat. Okay, so this is about the process of radiation. Fine, that's all for today.